Hey guys, this is Ashley. What is up? So today we are going to be I'm going to be showing you what I got at Goodwill. It was literally only one thing, but I'm going to show you what you can do with them. So let's get into the video. So what we got at Goodwill was these little watermelon lights. So all you have to do is wrap them around the LED part, the battery pack on the LED lights. Tuck one of the little the end into the the card so that it doesn't move, and stick it in your mason jar with the little switch faced up. Then all you have to do is turn it on, and that's what you get. This looks super cute. It lights up your room at night, and this is a great room decor option for little kids. So if you have kids, yeah, this is a great way to make a little night light for them. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel to become part of the Flawless DIY squad. And turn on post notifications. Comment down below. Like this video. Yeah, do all that jazz. I hope you guys have a flawless day.